Good morning. Today we'll see about Unit 6 of Business Analytical Tool, that is Tableau Data Server and UI, that is user interface. Introduction. Tableau Server is essential a communication tool which shares the data connections and visualization with the end users or clients. So it is a web-based platform for hosting and managing Tableau data sources, workbooks, reports, dashboards, generating using a Tableau desktop. The most secure way to distribute Tableau workbook is through Tableau server, as it ensures that your data is secured. So the Tableau server is an online platform that allows you to host and manage Tableau data sources. So the workbooks, reports, and dashboard created on the Tableau desktop. So we can access Tableau server from a web browser to create a new workspaces. So publish reports and dashboards and share them with the other users. Continue with the Tableau architecture. Tableau architecture is developed to connect various data layers. It connects clients from the web, desktop, and mobile. Tableau Desktop is a strong data visualization tool. It is highly available and secure. It works on both visual or virtual machines and physical machines. So it is a multi-user, multi-thread and multi-purpose processor system. The Tableau server architecture links different data sources securely, and it can also connect live and real-time data by linking the database directly. It also retrieves the local copy of the data using its in a built data store for rapid processing. Physical architecture overview. So, what is Tableau server? So, Tableau server is developed in such a way for connecting various data types. It connects clients from mobiles, desktops, and the web. The Tableau desktop is a robust data visualization tool. It is highly secure and available, so it can run on both physical and virtual machines. It is a multi-processors, multi-threaded, and multi-user system. So we can install the Tableau server on Google Cloud Platform, Amazon EC2, Alibaba Cloud, and Miss Azure. So multiple server processors operate together for providing the services in the different IaaS. As a Tableau server integrates with the number of elements in our IT infrastructure, it needs a strong architecture. Tableau server architecture. In the first layer, we can see that the customer data is there. In that customer data, the data warehouse, data marts, files, and cubes are there. In second layer, the data connections are the data connectors are there. The fast data engine, SQL connector, MDS connectors, and repository are there. In the third step, the main components are there, that data server, MySQL server, and application server. In fourth step, the gateway is there, gateway and load balancer. In the last step, the clients are there, that is desktop, mobile, or browser. Tableau architecture or Tableau server architecture. In that, you can see that the data, Tableau server, and the clients. Same, the data server, data connectors, components, and the last one is the customer clients. Continue with this. Following are the different components of Tableau server architecture. Data server. So we can create the database connections in two ways. A live data connection that transmits immediate queries to the data source and retrieves result immediately. Another method is extracting the data from the data source and including the local copy of it as the temporary database. So we can fetch the data through the live extraction or the connection into the both Tableau server and Tableau desktop. Second point, data warehouse. So the data warehouse help us to solve big data challenges from disparate and disorganized data sources with a lengthy analysis time. So in spite of the name, it is not just one huge database or dataset. As the system used for the data analysis and reporting, the data warehouse combines several enterprise data sources and is an essential component of business intelligence. Third point, enterprises data warehouse. So they are suitable for comprehensive business intelligence. The maintain a data organized, centralized for supporting advanced data governance and analytical requirements. So they turns the essential information hub throughout the process and terms, teams and unstructured structured data. Snowflakes is the industry leader in data warehouse solution. Thank you.